हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सक्सेस ड्रीम पाथ। आज की क्लास में हम लोग कंप्यूटर का 2500 प्लस क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज का पार्ट 5 करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 5 इंटरनेट एंड www फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1001। व्हाट इज इंटरनेट? नेटवर्क ऑफ नेटवर्क्स। हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंटरनेट? विंडसर्फ। What is www? World Wide Web. Who invented World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. What is a website? Collection of web pages. What is web page? HTML document. Which language is used to create web pages? HTML. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. Which protocol is used to access website? HTTP. Which secure protocol is used on internet? HTTPS. What is URL? Address of website. What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Which software is used to browse internet? Web browser. Which is an example of web browser? Google Chrome. Which browser is developed by Google Chrome? Which browser is developed by Microsoft Edge? Which browser is open source? Firefox. What is ISP? Internet Service Provider. What is the role of ISP? Provide internet access. Which is an example of ISP in India? BSNL. What is bandwidth? Data transfer capacity. What is the unit of bandwidth? VPS. What is upload? Sending data to server. What is download? Receiving data from server. What is email? Electronic mail. Which protocol is used to send email? SMTP. Which protocol is used to receive email? POP3. Which email protocol keeps mail on server? IMAP. What is a spam mail? Unwanted emails. What is phishing? Online fraud. What is a search engine? Web searching tool. Which is the most popular search engine? Google. What is keyword? Search word. What is hyperlink? Clickable link. Which protocol is used for chatting? IRC. What is cloud computing? Internet-based computing. Which cloud service stores file online? Cloud storage. Which is an example of cloud storage? Google Drive. What is social networking? Online social interaction. Which is a social networking site? Facebook. What is e-commerce? Online buying and selling. Which is an example of e-commerce site? Amazon. What is digital payment? Cashless payment. Which is a digital payment method? UPI. What is cyber crime? Internet-based crime. What is antivirus? Security software. What is firewall? Network security system. What is online banking? Internet banking. What is video conferencing? Online video meeting. Which app is used for video conferencing? Zoom. What is web hosting? Website storage service. What is domain name? Website name. Which organizations manages domain names? ICANN. What is the full form of ICANN? Internet Corporation of Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. What is DNS? Domain Name System. What is the function of DNS? Converts domain to IP. Which protocol resolves domain names? DNS. What is IP spoofing? Fake IP usage. What is cookie? Small data file. What is the use of cookie? Store user information. What is cache? Temporary storage. What is web cache? Used for faster page loading. What is blog? Online article. What is blogging? Video blogging. What is podcast? Audio program. What is streaming? Live media delivery. Which platform is used for video streaming? YouTube. What is OTT? Online media service. What is the full form of OTT? Over the top. Which is an OTT platform? Netflix. What is VPN? Secure Network Tunnel. What is the full form of VPN? Virtual Private Network. What is incognito mode? Private browsing. What is dark web? Hidden internet. Which browser is used to access dark web? Tor browser. What is URL? Shorten link shortening service. What is QR code? Quick response code. What is use of QR code? Fast information access. What is chatbot? Automated chat program. What is AI chatbot? Intelligent virtual assistant. What is e-learning? Online education. Which platform is used for e-learning? Coursera. What is MOOC? Online course. What is the full form of MOOC? Massive Open Online Course. What is digital signature? Electronic authentication. What is cyber security? Protection of digital data. What is malware? Malicious software. What is ransomware? Data locking malware. What is spyware? Data spying software. What is Trojan disguised malware? What is two-factor authentication? Double security method. What is CAPTCHA? Human verification test. What is the full form of CAPTCHA? Completely automated public Turing test. What is online shopping? Internet purchasing. What is digital marketing? Online promotion. What is SEO? Search optimization. What is the full form of SEO? Search engine optimization. What is social media marketing? Promotion on social media. What is influencer marketing? Promotion by influencer. What is affiliate marketing? Commission based marketing. What is web server? Website hosting computer. Which software is used as a web server? Apache. What is client in networking? Service requester. What is server in networking? Service provider. What is client server model? Request response model. What is peer-to-peer network? Equal mode network. Which network model has no central server? Peer-to-peer. What is intranet? Private internet. Private internet. Internal network. What is extranet? Extended intranet. What is netiquette? Internet etiquette. What is FTP used for file transfer? What is telnet? Remote login protocol. What is VoIP? Internet calling. What is full form of VoIP? Voice over Internet Protocol. What is bandwidth measured in VPS? What is latency? Network delay. What is packet data unit? What is packet switching? Data transfer method, transmission method. What is browser cache? Temporary website data. What is cookie used for user tracking? What is home page, main web page? What is favicon website icon? What is SSL security protocol? What is the full form of SSL secure sockets layer? What is TLS secure communication protocol? What is the full form of TLS transfer layer security? What is online form data collection page? What is CAPTCHA used for bot prevention? What is URL bar, address bar? What is web portal information gateway? What is government portal e-government's website? What is e-government's digital governments? What is DigiLocker digital document storage? What is Umang app government service app? What is Aadhaar authentication, identity verification? What is online examination, internet based test? What is plagiarism, content copying? What is copyright, legal ownership? What is Creative Commons open license? What is open source software, free source code software? What is freeware, free software? What is shareware, trial software? What is malware attack, harmful software attack? What is data breach, data leakage? What is backup, data copy? What is cloud backup, online data backup? What is control, change tracking? What is Git version control system? What is GitHub code hosting platform? What is open data, publicly available data? What is web analytics, website data analysis? Which tool is used for web analytics? Google Analytics. What is the bounce rate, single page visit rate? What is page view, page visit count? What is CTR, click through rate? What is the full form of CTR, click through rate? What is impression, ad display count? What is digital footprint, online activity trace? What is online reputation, internet image? What is influencer, online opinion leader? What is hashtags, topic marker? What is trending hashtag, popular topic tag? What is content marketing, content based promotion? What is newsletter, email update? What is email marketing, promotion via email? What is unsubscribe, stop email service? What is webinar, online seminar? What is virtual classroom, online teaching room? What is LMS learning platform? What is the full form of LMS learning management system? What is CMS website management system? What is the full form of CMS content management system? Which CMS is widely used? WordPress. What is plugin software adds on? What is theme in website? Design template. What is responsive design, skin adaptive design? What is mobile friendly website, mobile optimized site? What is QR payment, scan based payment? What is UPI full form, unified payment interface? What is net banking, online banking service? What is OTP, one time password? What is the use of OTP, user verification? What is the biometric authentication, body based verification? What is fingerprint authentication, finger based security? What is race recognition, face based identification? What is two step verification, double security process? What is cyber law, internet law? Which act governs cyber law in India? IT Act 2000. What is IT Act 2000? Cyber Law Act. What is data privacy, data protection? What is personal data, individual information? What is data encryption, data encoding? What is cyber ethics, online moral rules? What is digital divide, technology gap? What is e-waste, electronic waste? What is green computing, eco-friendly computing? What is online collaboration, internet teamwork? What is shared document, collaborative file? What is cloud document, online document? What is digital literacy, technology awareness? What is cloud computing model, IaaS, infrastructure as a service? What is cloud computing model, PaaS, platform as a service? What is cloud computing model, SaaS, software as a service? Which cloud model provide virtual machine, IaaS? Which cloud model provides ready software, SaaS? Which cloud model is used by developer, PaaS? What is public cloud, shared cloud service? What is private cloud, dedicated cloud? What is hybrid cloud, public plus private cloud? What is community cloud, shared by organization? Which cloud is most secure, private cloud? Which cloud is low cost, public cloud? What is virtualization, virtual source creation? Which software enables virtualization, hypervisor? Which cloud service is used for storage, cloud storage? What is Google Drive, cloud storage service? What is Dropbox, file hosting service? What is OneDrive, Microsoft Cloud Storage? What is SAS example, Gmail? What is Pass example, Google App Engine? What is IaaS example, Amazon EC2? What is data center service, server facility? What is load balancing, traffic distribution? What is CDN, content delivery network? What is the full form of CDN, content delivery network? What is edge computing, near device computing? What is IoT, Internet of Things? What is the full form of IoT, Internet of Things? What is a smart device? Internet enabled device. What is a smart home? Automated home. What is a smart city? Technology based city. What is big data? Huge data collection. What are three V's of big data? Volume, velocity, variety. What is mining? Data mining, data pattern extraction. What is machine learning? Learning from data. What is artificial intelligence? Machine learning. What is chatbot? Example chat GTP. What is voice assistant? Voice based AI. What is Alexa voice assistant? What is Google Assistant, AI Assistant? What is data analytics, data analysis process? What is predictive analytics, future prediction? What is cyber attack, digital attack? What is ethical hacking, unauthorized hacking? What is white hatter hacker, ethical hacker? What is black hat hacker, criminal hacker? What is grey hat hacker, mixed hacker? What is penetration testing, security testing? What is cyber awareness, online safety knowledge? What is Digital India Mission, Digital Development Program? What is digital transformation, technology based range change? What is online identity, digital identity? What is cyber footprint, also called digital footprint? What is virtual reality, computer generated environment? What is augmented reality, enhanced real world? What is mixed reality, VR plus AR? What is metaverse, virtual digital world? What is blockchain, distributed ledger? What is cryptocurrency, digital currency? What is cryptocurrency? Bitcoin. What is digital wallet? Electronic payment wallet. Which is a digital wallet in India? Paytm. What is UPI? UPI ID, unique payment address. What is net neutrality? Equal internet access. What is fake news? False information. What is fact checking, information verification? What is cyberbullying, online harassment? What is doxing, publishing private data? What is identity theft, stealing personal identity? What is password manager, password storage tool? What is strong password, complex password? What is biometric data, body identification data? What is cyber hygiene or safe online practices? What is securizing safe internet uses? What is digital consent, online permission? What is cloud security, cloud data protection? What is data sovereignty, data location control? What is digital economy? Economy based on digital tech. What is e-participation? Online public participation. What is internet governance? Internet regulation system. तो यहाँ पे आपका पार्ट 5 कंप्लीट होता है. तो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट 6 में.